2 people were killed on Tuesday in Nahariya, northern Israel, after a warehouse was struck during a rocket strike, according to Israeli medical services. The Israeli army said a barrage of 10 rockets fired from Lebanon was partially intercepted. The military said the impact was felt in several locations, forcing people to take shelter across the north. In the suburb of Nesher, a drone hit the yard of a kindergarten, but no one was hurt. Mayor Ron Levy said the kindergarten teacher saved her students by rushing them into a shelter in time.
Fortunately, we have a lot of luck that the children was in a safety place inside the kindergarten. If not, it was a very massive murder of children.
Hezbollah later claimed responsibility for a drone attack on Tuesday. It said the strikes were aimed at a military base east of Nahariya. The conflict between Israel and Iran-backed Hezbollah has been rumbling on for a year, ignited by the Gaza war. Israel went on the offensive in September, targeting wide areas of Lebanon with airstrikes and sending troops into the south.
מי זה עם הבלבל פה? מי זה עם הבלבל? מי זה עם הבלבל?